I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming permissions. Do not assume fair use. First, open Google Images, enter a precise query, then use Tools Usage Rights to filter to allowed licenses. Once done, click the image source and verify the license on the hosting site, looking for Creative Commons or public domain statements and commercial use permission. Make sure to download the highest resolution available, save the source URL and any license text, because these steps document your right to use the image in a YouTube video. Next, you verify the license details and prepare the image for your video. Read whether attribution is required, whether modification is allowed, and whether commercial use is permitted. These are the key limits. Once you know the rules, plan a clear modification. Crop, color grade, add graphics, or combine multiple assets to create a new work. Make sure to add any required attribution in the video description and on screen when appropriate, because transformative use plus correct credit reduces copyright risk. Finally, you publish with safeguards in place and monitor for problems. Upload your video, add the image attribution and license text to the description, and retain screenshots of the license and source page. Once live, check for Content ID claims or takedown notices and act quickly. If a claim appears, respond by submitting your license evidence or editing the video to remove or replace the image. If disputes persist, consider using a royalty-free paid image or commissioning original artwork to eliminate recurring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.